If MSN is showing a DNS error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to fix MSN DNS errors on Windows by clearing your DNS cache and, if needed, switching to a more reliable DNS server. This is especially helpful if MSN was working before, but suddenly stopped loading because your system is trying to reach an old or broken server path. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is flush your computer's DNS resolver cache. Your computer stores information about websites you visited before so it can load them faster. But sometimes that saved information becomes outdated. And when a site like MSN changes its server routing, your PC may keep trying to use the old address. That can trigger a DNS error even when the website itself is fine. To fix that, click the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, and then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means Windows has cleared the old stored website paths and is now ready to request fresh DNS information. After that, try opening MSN again and see if the issue is gone. For many users, this step alone solves the problem right away. If you still see the DNS error, the next thing to try is changing your DNS server settings. Sometimes the DNS servers provided by your internet service provider can be slow, overloaded, or temporarily down in your region. When that happens, your device may struggle to translate the MSN website name into the correct IP address. A very reliable fix is to switch to a free public DNS provider like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that using Google DNS. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This opens the network connections window where you can manage your Wi-Fi or Ethernet settings. Now find the connection you're actively using. If you're on Wi-Fi, right-click Wi-Fi. If you're using a cable, right-click Ethernet. Then select Properties. In the Properties window, scroll through the list and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP IPv4. A new window will appear with your IP and DNS settings. Select the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.88. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, and they're widely used because they're stable and fast. After entering the numbers, click OK, then click OK again to close the remaining windows. Windows may take a moment to apply the new network settings. Once that's done, restart your browser and try MSN again. In many cases, this will immediately fix the DNS problem because your computer is no longer relying on a failing or delayed DNS route from your ISP. If you want, you can also repeat the same process using Cloudflare DNS instead. Cloudflare is another strong option for people who want a fast and reliable alternative. Their DNS addresses are 1.1.1.1 for the preferred server and 1.0.1 for the alternate server. The process is exactly the same. Just replace the numbers in the IPv4 settings. If the issue still isn't fixed after these steps, make sure your internet connection itself is working properly and that MSN isn't having a temporary outage. You can also restart your computer and router, which can help refresh the connection from both ends. But in most cases, flushing the DNS cache and switching to Google DNS is enough to solve the MSN error DNS issue. I hope this guide helped you get MSN working again. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.